Hi guys, Dave here, your admin, one of, for Mr. Kenmore's neighborhood, and I wanted to introduce you to my labor of love. This is my trophy machine, my Kenmore C877.67. It's made by Toyota, as was pointed out to me, and it is one of the most fantastic sewing experiences I've ever had out of the box. I've gone to a lot of work to get this thing cleaned up, polished up. It came to be in very good condition. Obviously, the person that owned it, who is no longer with us, took extraordinarily good care of this machine. And so it made fixing it up simple. There really wasn't much to fix. I needed to put a new belt on it. Unfortunately, it's one of those awful orange things, but I didn't have anything on my set that would fit outside of that because the belt he had given me was cracked, old, and done. But this needed no adjustment at all. Nothing. I may need to take the thread holder from the front and replace it. I don't know. We'll see. It keeps slipping out of its bracket, or whatever you want to call that thing. And it does straight stitch, does reverse, and what I like about it, and a lot of people hold old machines but understand this, is this. I get, the feed dogs. They can go down to darn, or they can go to different levels depending on what you're sewing. I'm going to have to get used to this configuration for the bobbin winder, and certainly for the fact that the plate is forward facing. But even though she only does 4 millimeters, she does them with distinction. Now, I want you to take a look at this. Look at the stitch quality of this machine, and she sings when she sews. Take you to the back. This thing is unbelievable. I have never seen a machine sew this well. Here, I'll give you, just so you can listen to it a little bit. And that is 1.3 amps of pure, beautiful power. I'm in love. This is absolute. And I named her Coffee and Cream because that's exactly what she looks like. I am not a fan of beige and brown. It's not colors I ever liked because I grew up in the 70s and everything was this color. But on this machine it works. I am really, really happy with it. It was a very good investment of a whole $30. The work I did on it, besides this light here, I had to change the bracket, which I had to make because the bracket that was in there didn't work. So this is all MacGyvered. And this, I didn't like the arrangement with those weird plugs. And maybe I need to put more light on there. So I went and I modified it. And I took the machine. Let me see if I can pull this up. It's all grommeted in. And I wired everything into a modern Kenmore block from a 385 Kenmore. And of course nobody can see it. Sorry. And on-off switch is there. The plug is there. And it makes it a lot easier for storing, and I don't have to worry about the octopus of wires, which I could not stand. I mean, the minute I saw that's going, I didn't know how to, because the inside of this machine isn't designed to take that kind of wiring. I had to really, really, really think long and hard, experiment quite a bit, but eventually I came to something that actually works. That the wires aren't going to be touched by moving parts inside, and that obviously she sews. She sews so well. So this is my new best friend, and I just wanted to introduce you all to her. She will be a gate guard very shortly once I get a proper picture of her. So everybody have a great day.